guys a third way of how to use essential oils. And the third way, and my favorite way, is ingesting them. Now, I like ingesting them because if I have a sore throat, let's say for example, I want my oils to touch my throat so it can kill off the germs and just do its thing. So the cool thing about Young Living is that, and how I know I can trust them, is because they have a collection of essential oils that you can ingest. And how you know you can ingest them is by this white label. So the white label tells you can ingest these oils. Now lavender and frankincense also come in a white label, but because they do, I know that I can ingest these oils. So it's really interesting, really cool. Young Living has a Vitality line, which is a huge line of oils that you can ingest. Now, a couple ways that you can ingest them is by using a capsule. You can put a drop in your water bottle. Like for example, I always put a drop of peppermint in my peppermint essential oil in my water bottle, and I just sip on that all day, and it lasts all day, just one drop. It's really amazing. And so I feel energized. My energy levels are up. My breath is great. And it's great for my digestive system. The other thing you could do is, for example, if you have like a sore throat, you can make a thieves tea. I like making thieves tea. You can get a glass of warm water. Never put essential oils in hot water because they go poof into the air. So you want to put a drop of thieves essential oil and maybe a drop of lemon and some honey and just sip on that, and it can really soothe the sore throat. It can also help with some congestion and respiratory support also. Great for immune boosting. So those are just a few ways. Of course, there's hundreds more, and I'm just giving you the simple ways, but those are your 3 ways of how you can use essential oils: by using them aromatically, topically, and by ingesting them. So, all right, I hope you learned something from that, and on to the next.